watching zombie movies and apocalyptic movies. There's nothing wrong with this. However, there are a few things you begin to ponder, such as what would I actually do in a situation like that? Many have decided the answer lies in alternative building or purchase property in the middle of nowhere. These are all great things, but will they really help? Would they actually save you in a time like that? There are a lot of obstacles to leap over in order to prepare a safe space away from the city if such a thing were to happen. One of these such hurdles is solar. While many are familiar with the idea of solar power, it's not as easy to set up when you have no clue where to start. This is why, if you wish to start building a place like this, you will need help. There are a lot of free content out there, and if you know what to look for, you can find it. Although at times, you need someone to help you and teach you how to set these things up. This is what our aircrete workshops do. We help people learn to build their own houses through alternative means. We teach people not only how to build your own buildings and how to power them and set up your own solar system. While our course is mainly focused on alternative building, we can provide information about how to set up solar systems for power that you don't spend hundreds of dollars on every year. We can teach you the best way to build your own gardens for those who are looking into growing their own food. Our aircrete workshop provides you with the hands-on experience to do all of these things and more. Maybe you're not really into doomsday prepping and you think that aircrete isn't for you. Yet this is not the case. Aircrete has many uses. For example, the cost of building a small room for Airbnb rentals is likely cheaper than many other options you might find in modern building. You can do anything you imagine with aircrete, and it's likely cheaper and most certainly more healthy than modern-day construction materials. Aircrete is as sturdy as modern-day construction without the same cost. You can shape it into almost anything you can think of, and possibly cut back on living expenses that our society is now facing. The price of rent has continued to increase, making it harder and harder to pay just our basic needs. By using aircrete, it cuts down on production cost. You don't pay rent once it's finished, and as a young individual, this is extremely important to me. I live in the desert, which means less availability for a job, and I certainly wouldn't be able to pay rent or an electric bill. Through aircrete, I don't have to that worry and can put my money towards other things, like taking a trip to Japan or going to see all my favorite K-pop artists in concert. As you can see, there are a lot of reasons to consider aircrete and our workshops. If you would like to purchase tickets to our aircrete workshop, you can do so in the link below. Come to our workshop and see yourself how aircrete can help you.